The following message is transmitted at the request of the Dragon City Emergency Management. A mysterious and dangerous event is unfolding in Dragon City. At around 9:45 a.m., a mysterious creature was spotted flying around Dragon City area. The creature appears to resemble a red dragon and was seen destroying the city. Several buildings have collapsed and some of the houses are on fire. At this time, residents within a 5-mile radius of Dragon City are asked to seek shelter. If you are inside the buildings or tunnels, evacuate for your safety. Stay tuned to Dragon City FM for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Dragon City Emergency Management. A mysterious creature responsible for mass destruction across the Dragon City area has left the area. The creature, defined as a red dragon, has caused damage around Dragon City, leaving some houses and buildings on fire. There are unconfirmed reports about more mysterious events taking place at the Dragon's Valley. As a precaution, residents are advised to evacuate Dragon City for your own safety. It is unknown if more events will occur. Remain alert for later statements and continue to monitor the news outlets.